anybody there can Google, see what time McDonald's is open in St. Ignace till. Pretty sure maybe midnight. It's like 20 till or something, 15 till. I don't know if we're gonna make that. Hopefully the Taco Bell, if not. Oh, there's the police. Parked right there trying to catch some speeders or something. Damn, I wish I'd have known he was parked there. You know, went and flushed him out. Oh, son of a biatch. The way that dude's parked right there, he's, you can't see him. The dude's in complete predator mode right now. Damn. I wish I could go back across now. I can't turn around. Damn it. I'd go flush him out of there, you know what I'm saying? Damn. He's not like conspicuously parked. He's parked in the shadows with his lights off. You can't fucking see the guy. You know what I mean? The only reason I could see him is because I'm a look-see-loo. But if you're coming 75 and you're not coming from Mackinac there, and you're just driving your regular speed, he's got you dead to rights speeding, but he's not. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can't like hide and ambush people. If you're going to be out catching speeders, you have to be out parked where people can see you. If it's night, you got to have some running lights on or something. He didn't have a damn light on. Yeah, Saturday we're gonna, man, I wish that Saturday we're gonna have to keep an eye on them guys. I'm gonna come back Saturday evening. I wish they had like a electric scooter, electric bike, get around there. I do any live, I'm gonna do some live Saturday when I come here, so I'm going to use my gimbal then, so I can have some smoother footage, smoother videoing. I'll only be able to use my gimbal for so long though, because otherwise having my power bank plugged into the gimbal is not so bad, but when you got your charger hanging off your phone and it's on a gimbal doesn't really like it too much, you know. But we'll see how it. I'll try it out. I'll do some static videoing with it on the gimbal and having all my my phone charger hooked. I have the phone hooked up to it and power bank hooked up to the phone and everything, just to see how the phone responds, how the gimbal responds. I'll just have to use like a shorter USB-C charger cable. That way it's not as heavy, because I've got like my long one. And that extra wire can be kind of heavy, you know what I mean? So I have to use just like the regular 3-foot one or whatever it is, instead of like the 6-footer. I got like a nice 6-footer. It's got double USB-C ends, and then it's got like the USB that comes off of it and plugs in the C, you know what I'm saying? So you can take like a C to USB adapter type setup on for my one charging cable that I use, and then the C part that plugs into the phone, it's not like the one that sticks straight out. It comes out and bends down, so it's not like sticking way out the phone. I like that. That's another reason I use that. Seagulls, get off the road. They're like somebody threw some food in the road there for the seagulls to go after, or something. Or maybe they're hunting bugs. That's probably what they're doing. A bunch of seagulls out here. You see them flying up. It's about time for a mayfly hatch or something. They're probably out here eating moths and bugs. And you ever like watch videos about seagulls? Like you catch a short or something on the Instagram or something, or on a Facebook reel, and frickin', where'd I put my money? I went and broke that. Now I don't know where I put my money. Seagulls are dirty, vicious little things. I see them like snatching baby ducks and baby geese and flying off with them and eating them whole. Stuff like that. I see those pop up on my reels all the time. Stuff like that. And then I start watching it for a second, and then they throw something like that in there. And, you know, I get nature and other animals got to eat other animals. But, man, the older I've gotten, the more tender my heart's gotten to that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? And I'm a hunter. I hunt. I'll go shoot a deer and eat it. You know what I mean? But when it's babies, it really bothers me. I don't like that. My heart and emotions gotten cold to humans, but has gotten more sensitive to other living things as I've gotten older, if that makes sense. I found my money. $4 for a bridge fare for the toll. If I didn't have $4, would you make me turn around and go back?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
But then that'd be like double wear on the road. I kind of figured though.
I don't know. That's what they tell us.
Right. I got you. Yep. Man, I could have went back for free and kicked that cop out of that spot, and then came back across. Ooh, could have done that.
Tell me.